What makes a well-written name in calligraphy? Here are some of the do's and don'ts to make your names look beautiful. The first thing you can try to do is keep your letters on the same baseline. You can use a straight edge like a ruler or a tool that is designed for creating straight lines for an address, like this lettermate. But these tend to be in the way of my writing or leave behind lines that I would have to erase. So my favorite method is to use a laser pointer that is designed to create straight lines. This one was relatively inexpensive and can be found at any home improvement store. It also doubles as entertainment for my cat Pizza. Another thing about your calligraphy you can pay attention to is a slant angle. This means all of your vertical strokes should run parallel with each other, keeping the line where most of the lowercase letters are aligning straight, just like the baseline, can make your letters look more consistent and elegant. This is also known as the X height. Remember, names are special when creating gifts or addressing mail, so you can get away with combining traditional calligraphy or copperplate letters with something more recognizable and casual, like a sans serif. One method I'm still working on perfecting in my calligraphy is maintaining consistent spacing in my letter forms. This means that there should be similar sized distances from one vertical stroke to another. It's best to imagine little water balloons between your letter forms when trying to guess spacing. They should be about the same size. Those are some of my favorite tips when trying to observe my calligraphy. Now it's your turn to try. If you'd like to see more videos on typography and design, let me know by subscribing below.